Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we had a rough weekend. Dogs got into our property up here and killed a bunch of our sheep. Yeah. So it was a weekend of just trying to hunt dogs down, wild dogs. No tags, no chips. So, you know, ID chips. So, wild pack of dogs. So we tried to chase them out, got some, got one taken care of, and the other one just disappeared. And trust me, we were thorough getting it out. Now I get to clean up some areas along the fence that might be suspect. We don't know, but we want to take away all chances for future encounters. Yeah, let's go clean up some stuff. As you guys saw, I was working right out there, and huge space. I mean, we checked the fence, but I mean, you guys can see there's just a drop off right after the fence. Yeah, so got that fixed. I guess let's keep going. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so as you guys can see, I'm going to fill in this little side. Lost a rock right there. I'm going to go get it. I just want a nice flat-ish area. Some of these rocks, as you guys can tell, over a ton. This little thing, this Cat 305.5 E2, man, it kicks ass. Butt. Kicks butt. Alright, so other thing I'm dealing with, teeth retainers, the wonderful Caterpillar teeth retainers. They'll have to come out. So I'm going to fix that and keep on going. Ladies and gentlemen, looks like we're pretty decently, manageably flat here. Doesn't need to be perfect, but it's good enough. So now I'm going to go around the rest of the property and clear fence, make sure there's no other pukas, holes. So yeah, this part's done. Let's go on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back down from up there. Now I get to clean up this mess. Oh yeah. Messy, messy, messy. Yeah, these things are nice and heavy. Not too bad, but still something. So I'm gonna try to make that as flat as possible, see what I can make with it, do with it, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, wish me luck. All right, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow I got to come in, grab the big stuff, put it down there. So as you guys can see, I got to do the big stuff first, the medium stuff, and then the small stuff. The small stuff is the dirt stuff, saving that for later. Also putting some tree trunks, the coconut tree trunks, against those nice trees, because I don't want those roots disturbed. But yeah, there's a pit down there. I'm going to put all these big guys, kind of put these other trunks by the banana trees, the keiki banana trees, little baby banana trees. So yeah, just the progress, cleaning stuff up, getting it mowable, and then nice, and you know, all that good stuff. So I just want to be able to kind of, you know, mow this eventually, because if it's not, you know, maintainable, it just goes to crap. So yeah, but so far so good. So far so good. I will catch you guys on the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll probably make video tomorrow of the rest of the project. But yeah, all right. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Aloha.